He had fame, money, and success until he almost lost everything. My name is Marcus Reed, and before people called me successful, I learned what it feels like to lose everything. Marcus grew up in West Philadelphia, funny, confident, naturally entertaining. As a teenager, he entered the music industry with his friend DJ Nova, and surprisingly, they became huge. Awards, concerts, interviews at a young age, Marcus felt unstoppable. But success came fast, and so did bad decisions. Luxury clothes, expensive parties, careless spending. Marcus thought the money would never stop coming. Then reality hit. One morning, legal notices started arriving, massive unpaid taxes, debt growing every month. The government froze most of what he earned. Imagine becoming famous and still struggling financially. People only saw the celebrity version of Marcus, but behind closed doors, he was stressed, confused, embarrassed. For the first time in years, he felt lost. And that's when something changed. Marcus stopped focusing on what he lost and started focusing on what he could become. Every night, he would sit quietly and visualize a new future. Film sets, interviews, a different life, not fantasy, preparation. But visualization alone didn't change anything. Marcus started studying acting seriously. He practiced daily, audition after audition, rejection after rejection. Still, he kept showing up. Then one opportunity changed everything. A television comedy series called City Lights Avenue. The producers loved Marcus instantly. Not because he was perfect, but because he was real. The show exploded. People everywhere started talking about Marcus Reed. But what fans didn't know was this: even after becoming successful again, most of his earnings still went toward paying debt. That experience changed him forever. Marcus realized something powerful. Visualization is not magic, it's direction. Because once your mind sees a future clearly, your actions start moving towards it. He didn't go from failure to success overnight. He rebuilt himself, one decision at a time. Dreaming changed his vision, but discipline changed his life. What a true story. Watch more previous video and subscribe for more inspirational success stories, manifestation and mindset videos. Sorry, please forgive me. Love you. Thank you. Bye.